We all know there's nothing worse than toting around a cumbersome piece of luggage, bulging at the seams with the amount of clothes you've tried to stuff into it for a weekend getaway. Making travel an easier affair starts with what you do before you get to the airport. Namely, finding the right piece of luggage to suit your needs best and packing it appropriately. Carry-on luggage comes in a variety of styles, from the hard-shell classics to soft-sided duffel bags. Whether you value features like external pockets or 360 spinner wheels, internal compression, or TSA-approved locks, you can find the links to the best prices for each product in the description below. Please note that the products are not ranked in any specific order, so make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important details. So without further ado, let's dive in. Number 6. Lug X Carry-On Luggage. The Lug X Carry-On Luggage is a travel companion designed for durability and convenience, making it a reliable choice for frequent flyers. This luggage boasts a robust hard-shell exterior made from high-grade polycarbonate, ensuring resistance to impacts and scratches while maintaining a lightweight structure. Its streamlined design offers a sleek aesthetic, available in a range of vibrant and classic colors to suit diverse travel styles. Equipped with multi-directional spinner wheels, the Lug X ensures smooth navigation across various surfaces, from airport terminals to cobblestone streets. Its ergonomic telescoping handle adjusts to multiple heights, allowing for easy maneuverability and reducing strain during transit. Inside, travelers. This carry-on meets the cabin size restrictions of most airlines, making it a convenient option for domestic and international travel. The interior is lined with a water-resistant fabric, protecting your items from accidental spills or moisture exposure. The Lug X Carry-On is perfect for both business and leisure travelers, with ample packing space for short to medium-length trips. Despite its sturdy build, it remains lightweight, ensuring you can pack more without exceeding weight limits. Priced competitively, the Lug X Carry-On offers exceptional value, combining practicality, durability, and style in one package. Whether you're a frequent jet-setter or an occasional traveler, this carry-on is designed to meet your needs with its robust construction and user-friendly features. Number 5. Samsonite Ibon Spinner. The Samsonite Ibon Spinner revolutionizes travel convenience with its innovative central one-point closure system, enabling quick and secure access to your belongings. Its modern design combines style and practicality, catering to travelers who value both functionality and aesthetics. Crafted from premium polycarbonate material, the Ibon Spinner is highly durable yet lightweight, making it an excellent choice for withstanding the rigors of frequent travel. Its distinctive design ensures resistance to scratches and dents, keeping it looking new even after multiple trips. The ergonomically designed handle is adjustable to various heights, providing optimal comfort for users of all sizes. Inside, the Ibon Spinner is all about organized packing. It features adjustable dividers, elastic cross straps, and a zippered mesh pocket to keep items securely in place. This efficient layout maximizes packing space, accommodating more items without causing clutter. The suitcase is also equipped with a TSA-approved lock for added security. The Samsonite Ibon Spinner comes in a range of sizes and colors, giving travelers the flexibility to choose a model that best suits their needs. Whether you're heading out on a business trip or a family vacation, this carry-on is built to deliver convenience and reliability. Priced moderately for its premium features, the Ibon Spinner is a worthwhile investment for anyone seeking a long-lasting, high-performance travel solution. Number 4. Level 8. Grace Carry-On Luggage. The Level 8 Grace Carry-On luggage blends elegance with functionality, designed to cater to the needs of modern travelers. Its stylish exterior is crafted from durable PC Pulse ABS material, providing superior strength and impact resistance while maintaining a lightweight profile. The 3-layer micro-diamond textured surface is scratch-resistant, ensuring the luggage retains its pristine appearance over time. This carry-on is equipped with 360-degree spinner wheels, allowing for effortless maneuverability on various terrains. Its telescoping handle is sturdy and adjustable, making it comfortable for users of different heights. Measuring within the carry-on size restrictions of most airlines, this luggage is ideal for weekend getaways or short business trips. The TSA-approved combination lock enhances security while ensuring easy access for TSA inspections. The Level 8 Grace Carry-on is available in a range of sophisticated colors, catering to travelers who value aesthetics as much as practicality. Priced competitively, the Level 8 Grace offers excellent value, combining durability, functionality, and style. Its versatile design makes it a great choice for both seasoned travelers and occasional flyers seeking a reliable and visually appealing luggage option. Number 3. July Carry-On Pro Luggage. The July Carry-On Pro Luggage stands out as a high-tech modern carry-on designed for the tech-savvy traveler. Its aerospace-grade German polycarbonate shell provides exceptional durability while maintaining a lightweight design, ensuring it can withstand the demands of frequent travel. What sets the Carry-On Pro apart is its detachable, snap-on front compartment. This innovative feature allows quick access to essential items like laptops, tablets, or travel documents without needing to open the main compartment, making it ideal for business travelers. Inside, the luggage boasts a compression system that maximizes packing capacity, along with multiple pockets for organized storage. The Silent Move TM wheels ensure smooth and noiseless navigation, even on rough surfaces. The integrated ejectable power bank is a standout feature, allowing users to charge devices on the go without worrying about airport restrictions. The July Carry-On Pro meets most airline cabin size requirements, making it a hassle-free option for domestic and international flights. Available in a variety of colors, the Carry-On Pro combines functionality with sleek, minimalist aesthetics. Backed by a lifetime warranty, it's a premium choice for those who value quality and innovation. While priced higher than standard carry-ons, its unique features make it a worthwhile investment for frequent travelers. Number 2. Samsonite Centric Hardside Expandable Luggage. The Samsonite Centric Hardside Expandable Luggage combines style, durability, and functionality in one sleek package. Its hard-shell exterior is made from scratch-resistant polycarbonate material, ensuring it can handle the wear and tear of regular travel while maintaining its polished appearance. The Centric features a fully lined interior with cross straps, a modesty pocket, and mesh dividers for optimal organization. Its expandable design provides additional packing space when needed, making it suitable for longer trips or packing souvenirs. The side-mounted TSA-approved combination lock ensures the security of your belongings while allowing for hassle-free TSA inspections. Equipped with 4 multi-directional spinner wheels, the Centric offers smooth and easy maneuverability. Its retractable handle is ergonomically designed for comfort, reducing strain during extended periods of use. The sleek design comes in a variety of vibrant colors, ensuring travelers can express their personal style. Priced competitively, the Samsonite Centric is a popular choice for those seeking a reliable and durable carry-on. Its combination of practicality, style, and affordability makes it an excellent investment for both occasional and frequent travelers. Number 1. Travelpro Platinum Elite 21 Expandable Carry-On Spinner. The Travelpro Platinum Elite epitomizes luxury and functionality, making it a top choice for travelers who value premium features. Crafted with high-quality fabrics and leather accents, this carry-on exudes sophistication while offering exceptional durability. Its tip-resistant expansion feature provides up to 2 inches of extra packing space, accommodating more without compromising stability. The carry-on is equipped with an integrated USB A and C port for convenient device charging, along with a dedicated power bank pocket compliant with FAA regulations. Inside, the Platinum R Elite features a deluxe tie-down system, a TSA-compliant wet pocket for toiletries, and a fold-out suitor to keep clothes wrinkle-free. Its precision glider system ensures smooth maneuverability with 8 self-aligning spinner wheels and a power scope extension handle. Priced at a premium, the Travelpro Platinum R Elite is a worthwhile investment for those seeking a durable, stylish, and highly functional carry-on. Backed by a lifetime warranty, it delivers unmatched quality for seasoned travelers.